For Japanese people, Nikujaga is the most beloved dish. Japan is currently in summer. During the hot season, this method is recommended for a shorter cooking time compared to long simmering. I'll use plenty of same vegetables. Japanese beef is very tender and the slicing technique is excellent, making it perfect for dishes like sukiyaki, nikudofu, and today's nikujaga. Let's get started. For today's potatoes, I'll use frozen French fries. Cut eggplants in half lengthwise and score the skin. Then cut them into easy-to-eat pieces. I'll fry the potatoes and eggplants. Fry the potatoes until they are crispy and fragrant. Fry the eggplants in batches, giving them a quick fry in the oil. In a bowl, add the fried potatoes and eggplants, and 1 tomato cut into wedges. Next, prepare the beef. Mix 200 grams of beef, cut into easy-to-eat pieces, with 3 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add the beef along with the seasoning to a fry pan and cook it through. Once the beef is cooked, add it to the bowl and mix well, and it's done. Serve it on a plate and garnish with some green vegetable to complete the dish.